Let's look at this. What do we know scribe and script means? Everyone say it.
To write or written.
Right.
Yeah, so we know that. And D, the prefix, means
Down.
So the literal meaning of describe is what?
Write down.
To write down.
Yeah. And description would be what?
Written down.
Okay, so but that's like a very short literal meaning, which is good. That's a good place to start. But when we see describe in sentences, it can mean, it can be a little more detailed, okay? So if we describe something, we may tell or write about it using words. A description may be something oral, so that we say, or written about a person, place, thing, action, feelings. We're gonna look at some examples really quickly. And I'm gonna ask you all to read me this sample sentence. Can I have a volunteer? Go and raise your hand if you would be willing. Ruby, I saw your hand first. Go ahead.
If you witness someone commit a crime, a police officer may ask you to describe the person you saw.
So if he asks you to describe, you're not necessarily writing, you're doing what?
Saying.
Saying, exactly. Exactly. Can I have another volunteer to read that question right there?
What do you think a job description for the principal would say?
So what would be written down about the job of a principal? And I'm going to ask you to respond like this. A job description for a principal would say they are looking for someone who is, I'm going to fill in the blank with organized. Can someone else share an idea?
Sure. A job description for a principal would say they are looking for someone who is on time.
Yeah. What does that mean? Tell me the short definition. To
Write down.
And written.
Yes, perfect. Put it in the box right there. To write down and written down. And next question. So what does scribe and script mean? What do those roots mean?
To write and written.
Yes, yes. Perfect. And put it in that box. Finally, this is something we haven't really talked about, but do you all remember, what does the prefix D mean?
Down.
Down.
Yeah.
Yes. And prefixes, they do three main things. They could make a word negative, like if I don't like someone, I dislike, or they can give a direction. So what does the prefix D do?
Down.
Yes, so it gives it a direction, okay? So you can write the prefix meaning right there, please.